It's back! It's back! It's back! Safari's 10, 20, 30 promotion is back, and so am I. I'm Vivek from Radio Olive 106.3 FM. From today, 7th of February, Safari's 10, 20, 30 promotion is starting and it's going on in all outlets. So let me just show you a quick look of what's up for grabs. So as a part of Safari's special promotion, you are getting Sadia chicken 1100 grams, which you usually get for 13 riyals for just 10 riyals, and it's valid only for 3 days, 7th February to 9th February in all Safari outlets. Don't we just love French fries? But if you want to buy French fries and 1 kg, 2 packets of these Americana French fries, you have to just pay 10 riyals as a part of the promotion. With so many offers in hot food and bakery category, it's so difficult to choose. But if you want to have chicken dum biryani 600 grams, you have to just pay 10 riyals for it. And if you're craving for chicken tangdi kebab 3 pieces, you just have to pay 10 riyals. It's so easy and it's so tasty. As a part of 10, 20 and 30 promotion at Safari, you have to be in the grocery section because you are getting some amazing products at some amazing prices. So as a part of Safari's exclusive promotion, you are getting Rosanna Indian Basmati rice 5 kgs, which you usually get for 27 riyals for just 20 riyals. But this is again valid only for 3 days from 7th to 9th February in all Safari outlets. Planning to buy some dry fruits? You can buy 750 grams of almonds from USA as a part of exclusive promotion. You usually pay 40 riyals for this, but now you have to pay half the price. Just 20 riyals for this, but this is only valid from 7th to 11th of February, 5 days only. You're getting some exclusive offers in the grocery section like this one. McVitie's digestive biscuits 400 plus 100 grams 4 packs, which usually costs you 40 riyals. You are getting it for only 30 riyals. But this is only valid for 3 days from 7th of February till 9th of February in all Safari outlets. Safari's amazing promotion continues in the cosmetic section as well. If you're looking to buy shampoo, Dove Shampoo's combo pack, which is 400 milliliter each, which usually you have to pay 32 riyals for, you have to now pay only 20 riyals. But this is exclusively in all Safari outlets. Washing clothes is now cheaper thanks to Safari. If you're looking to buy Tide 1.5 kgs, for this, you usually pay 19 riyals, but as a part of the promotion, you just have to pay 10 riyals. We are now in the household section, and if you're looking to buy a dinner set, then you should be buying this one from Lao Pala, 12-piece dinner set, for which you usually pay 49 riyals, but in the special promotion, you have to just pay 30 riyals in all Safari outlets. As a part of exclusive promotion, if you buy 4 pieces knife set by Solingen, you usually pay 23 riyals for it. But for this one, you have to just pay 10 riyals, which is only valid for 2 days, 7th and 8th February in all Safari outlets. And now we are in the electronics section where 10, 20, 30 promotion continues. Let me show you some exclusive products which you should definitely be eyeing on. For a healthy lifestyle, you need to actually have juices in your life. That's why you should buy this one. It's a juice blender which usually costs you 59 riyals. Now you just have to pay 30 riyals as a part of the promotion in all Safari outlets. As technology is getting bigger and better, you should definitely own this one. This is a rechargeable table fan for which you usually have to pay 59 riyals, but for this Safari promotion, you have to now pay just 30 riyals. Are you looking to upgrade your earphones? Then you should be buying this one. This is Realme's wireless earbuds, which usually costs you 59 riyals, but as a part of promotion, you just have to pay 30 riyals for this. There are so many amazing offers that's running right here at Safari, especially in this electronics and appliances section. For now, I'll show you this. This is Panasonic's telephone system, which usually costs you 49 riyals, but as a part of promotions and exclusive promotion, you have to pay only 30 riyals for this, but it's going on only for 2 days, that's 7th and 8th of February in all Safari outlets. Safari's 10, 20, 30 promotion continues in the gifts, toys and stationery section as well. And if you want to buy this amazing looking stunt car for just 2 days, which usually costs you 39 riyals, you have to just pay 20 riyals for this. But it's only for 2 days, 7th and 8th of February. It's time to make yourself happy and the kids as well. This is Kids Tolo car, for which you have to usually pay 59 riyals, but as a part of the promotion, you have to just pay 30 riyals for this one. You're getting 10, 20, 30 promotions for everyone, for women, for kids, for men. And if you want to buy your most fashionable clothes, you have to be here, right here at Safari. These items that you can see are just for 10 riyals, and a lot of items that you can see are in the promotion of 10, 20, 30 at Safari outlets. Footwear from different brands for different people, for men, for women, for kids. You're getting everything as a part of Safari's 10, 20, 30 promotion. And not just this, if you are someone who's looking to buy a bag for yourself, if you are looking to buy a lady's bag, you're getting that as well as a part of promotion at all Safari outlets. So this was a quick look of Safari's 10, 20, 30 promotion, which starts today, 7th of February, and you can go to any of the Safari outlets and avail this amazing promotion. This is Vivek signing off from Radio Olive 106.3 FM. Do come here and shop, and this is me signing off. Take care and Jio Bindas.